looks better than this, honestly.
We got champagne in there.
Look at this.
There's a bathtub.
Is it really? Inside?
Yes.
Damn, there's a bathtub. Fireplace. Frigidaire. Air conditioning in a tent. Awesome bed. A little reading nook, I guess. A Berkey. A fan in a tent.
Oh, we have an inside toilet here.
Oh, there's an inside toilet. No, it's not the case last time. What's our back?
The shower.
Yeah. Fish. So my wife and I started photographing Airbnbs for stay. We don't get anything other than to stay, but that's really fun for us because we like to go on adventures and do fun things. And since we have this set of skills that we're able to do things like this, this is one of the Airbnbs that we got to do thanks to Sarah. It's called, what is this place called?
The Dogwood Tent.
Dogwood Tent at Ramsden Lake, and this is outside of Atlanta, Georgia. So what I'm doing right now is I photograph the place, and then Sarah and I do lifestyle photography, so I'll shoot whatever Sarah's doing along the way.
And vice versa.
Vice versa, if I'm lucky enough to get shot by Sarah. So I'm using the X-T4 right now to do all the interior and exterior shots, and I use the GFX50S for Sarah and her lifestyle. So here we go. I am using the 13mm Viltrox 20mm equivalent, and it works pretty good for these type of situations. That's why I bought it, really. It's one more time. I have the camera on the tripod right now. I'm actually going to open the door. This is a trick that I use so we can get more space, so I can step out a little bit further to make our space look a bit bigger than it really is, or it actually is. You just can't tell by using a camera. So I'm also going to lift my camera up some more, just like that. And I set my timer to 2 seconds so I can hit the shutter and then get out of the way, because I have a shadow on the bed, and whenever I move it's just a lot brighter. So that's just a tip for everybody that's trying to do something like this, just in case. Alright, so we just finished documenting the actual tent itself. Tomorrow we're going to do all the lifestyle stuff. We're going to grab something to eat actually from town because we did not prepare very well. So we're going to town now.
Look at all the colors of the wind.
Pretty stoked about it. Brown sugar and cinnamon. Delicious. Whenever we're doing these types of shoots, we always style them. It's really nice that I have a great partner with me that looks so good. They actually want to show off these chairs, which I don't blame them because these are really nice chairs. It's vacation, isn't it?
But mimosas are acceptable.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah. What does that say?
Clever made.
Oh, I'm looking at upside down at Claver made. We're actually gonna tripod pictures of each other here, so this will be interesting because it always takes a lot longer. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I'm using the GFX50S for these lifestyle shots because they do want vertical, but I can shoot horizontal because there's so much definition in the images. It's insane. They retain so much information. And so we're gonna set it out a little bit further than we typically would, and then we can crop in and give them 2 options rather than just one. So, yes, that's what we're doing now.
That's my chakras.
Another chaga one.
I'm a nature girl.
Crunchy. The thing is there's a double booking issue. So we're going from this place to go photograph another place, which is an Airstream, and I think it's new. Is that correct?
No, this one's brand new. I don't know.
Okay, Sarah's my fact checker. She's my Google. We don't have phones right now. Also, while I have you here, on a medium format camera, 1/125th of a second is not the same as other cameras. And it may be because it doesn't have image stabilization whatsoever. I was photographing some couples the other day, and 1/125th was not cutting it, but it usually does. Not on this bad boy. You're gonna have to go up to 250. So, sorry guys.
King.
How was it?
The drink or the stay?
Oh, both.
The drink's fine. That tent's really freaking nice, and I wish you were staying there another night. But I guess it'll be cool to see another one.
Little detail they added. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Sarah and I had a great time at Ramsden Lake, and I would highly recommend going. One of the good things about being a photographer is that you can still barter, which is huge for us because we like to take adventures and do things like this. Sometimes we do get paid for the Airbnbs that we shoot, but usually we'll just offer to stay there to shoot the place. And if they offer money, we'll take it. We never pressure anybody into it, and that's what we do. But like I said, we like to take adventures, and those are small adventures, but they mean a lot to us. And even if you're single, I think that would be a great thing for you to do. You don't have to be married to do it, which is awesome. Hopefully this video brings to light a few things that you can do with your photography skill set. I'm not a real estate photographer in the least whatsoever, but I get by enough to do these types of things. So I encourage you to try to get out of your comfort zone and yeah, try to reach out to somebody and see if you can get an Airbnb. You should make it a competition with yourself or a challenge. Make it a challenge. Yeah. So I'll catch you guys next time. I really appreciate you watching. Coming up with a podcast called Drunk Photography. It's going to be super cool. I can't wait to show you guys. So make sure you stick around, and that'll be really fun. Peace.